Hi everyone, I am Shanice Prince, one of the team leads of Tobago's talented entrepreneurs and artisans. We will be at the Tobago Day 2022. Come see us and our skill sets that would be there. Old Boys Ground, Brooklyn, New York.
Hi, my name is Giselle Drew, owner and CEO of Tobago Wick and the Candle Bar. So we curate natural soy and coconut wax candles. We also do moisturizing hand sanitizers and bug sprays. Our products will be on display at the Tobago Day 2022.
I'm Tedata from Tedata Leather Collection, and we're going to be at the Tobago Day celebrations, and we look forward to seeing you. And these are my products, at least one of them.
Hi, my name is Izan Williams-Chance, the owner of Calypso Grill Experience. I'll be showcasing my Dasheen products, also my cookbook, Taste of Tobago Blue Food Recipe Cookbook, the Dasheen Flour and Chow Kuma, which will be some of the products that will be on display.
Lisa Arthur Lovell. I'm the owner of Oceans of Notions by Lisa. I'm a chandler and a tea manufacturer.
Hi, I am Shanice Prince, owner of Tum Tum's Local Confectionaries, and we are here at Tobago Day 2022. We brought with us the local bene balls, sugar cake, ginger nut cake, the whole indigenous sweets package. So come on down to Tobago Day.
Hi, I'm Claudette Daniel, the owner of the Master Cobbler. We specialize in leather handcrafted products such as watch bands, bags, belts, wallets, and most of all, sexy looking sandals. We have sandals ranging from yellow, green, blue, all sizes, 4 to 14. See you, be there.
Hi, I am Keisha Andrews, the representative of Kai Essential Cosmetics. We will be taking our organic skincare products to New York for Tobago Day 2022.
So you've met some of our talented artisans. You can come visit us at Tobago Day in Brooklyn, New York on August 28th. We'll be at the Old Boys High School, Rutherford Road and 45th Street, Brooklyn, New York. We've brought with us agro-processors, chandlers, we have blue food manufacturers, and we will be there to showcase all of our products for you. Come out in your numbers and support, and we are looking forward to seeing you.
You know I love you, baby. You're the best.